How to update emojis on your Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Scroll down and click on System. In System, click on System Updates at the bottom. And if there is any update available, update your device, as sometimes updating the device may bring new emojis. After that, you can simply search the emoji. Another way is open Play Store and download this Microsoft Swift Key AI keyboard, or you can download any keyboard you want. After you have downloaded the keyboard, open the app, click on Let's Set Up and go to Settings. Turn on Microsoft Swift Key keyboard. After that, click on Select Swift Key and then select Microsoft Swift Key. And you're all set. Now you can simply open anywhere you can type, and as you can see, you can go to emoji on your new keyboard and search for new emojis. And this is how to update emojis on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.